Hello and welcome to a Club Campastre special, and today I'm walking you through part of a lovely wildlife walk in the club. Lots of wildlife which I hope to find, and I'll be doing some shorts if I do find some unusual species. So let me just walk you through, which we're just starting, and things to look out for are exquisite cappuccino, rare birds, some parrots and some more birds, and we'll hope to see some of those on our trip today. So the trip starts here. It's pretty long. It's about 3 miles, maybe a bit longer than that. It takes you through some beautiful countryside, and we start off really much with the horses over here. You can hear some of the birds in the wildlife. You can also hear in the background some music, which is the start of a New Year's Eve party at the club, which we're not invited to. So I'm afraid Notts Premier Travel wasn't given a special ticket for that, despite our filming and promotion of the club. And once again, we've seen this creature before. We've had some viewers write in to tell us what that creature is. And it's gone behind the tree, unfortunately. Now it's come back out again. So keep sending in your thoughts on that animal, and we'll some squirrels as well. Some red squirrels. I have seen, I think, some red squirrels before. It's another one of those creatures again over there, and it's quite warm. We've had some rain, but yesterday was a lot cooler, and I enjoy this walk very much. It's really quiet and very peaceful, and some nice horses over there. And I'll try and zoom in because, again, there's 2 more of those creatures. Please send in your comments if you think you know what they are. One's running away, if you've seen the camera. And if we focus over there on the green, we can see some, I think it looks like sort of flamingos over there. There we go. Anyway, let's get back into zoom. I don't think we're going to see too much more wildlife. Let me see if I can speed up a little bit. I know some of you do like the longer videos that we broadcast, so I'll make this a special for those that are sitting at home wanting to enjoy Notts Premier Travel at its best. And sometimes the shorts are a bit too short to get that enjoyment, whereas these longer videos you can really sit back and relax and enjoy. It's a lovely golf course. Oh, there's another one of those animals with something in its head. Red ears. That's unusual. It's another sign for looking out for rare species. Coming up here, I'm going to turn the corner. I'm not sure what's round the corner. They're up close now to one of these. I hope they don't. Oops! I hope they don't bite. And we'll swing round and walk you up here. Now we start to climb, if I remember. So it's a very nice park area which we'll go into, I think, shortly. But see where it's round here. So beware of the horse riders. It's all very quiet. Let's hope I'll be able to find my way back. It is New Year's Eve, and been given special permission to film this afternoon in the club. And again, rather annoyed that we weren't invited to the party, but there we go. Maybe next year, once these videos become more popular and the club becomes more popular, then I'm sure we will be. This is a delightful pond here. I shall venture up closer and hear the birds in the background. It really is picturesque. Probably shouldn't be walking on the grass, but I'll cut across here, and you can see some. Whoops, stripped over there. Stripped over. You can see some of the birds here. And there's one of those animals again, with the red ears. This sign, I don't just translate for you, 120 species in total, and 40 I think that you can only find at the club, reptiles and mammals and all sorts of things. I'll translate that when I've got my dictionary available. There we go, there's some wildlife over there. You can hear some music in the background if you can. Sounds like the Takuna tribe again playing. They get around, don't they? And a nice sort of area there for eating. And we'll carry on. Hope you're enjoying this. It is an extra long video, which I hope won't take too long to upload. There's somebody getting shot in the background there. And here we are. Here's the steps I told you about earlier. This is now really, it's quite tiring actually, so I'll be out of breath by the time I get up here. And these are sort of wild butterflies that we're expected to see, so I should look out for those. And here we go, join me. I won't be talking much because there's a lot of steps to climb. There is a chair at the top for a rest, and you see the junction on the right, that's where we'll come out on the way back. But look, that's a long way ahead, so I won't expect you to be watching all that time. So going up these stairs, so say nobody about, which is really nice. There's no signs of anybody. Not much signs of excuse me, not much signs of any wildlife either. Oh, it's about 30 degrees today, so it's quite warm. We turn the corner here, we continue. There's the seat I told you about. But look, Knott's Premier Travel goes the extra mile. We won't be sitting down resting. We'll continue giving you the best filming and the best scenes as we can.